Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today I'm back with another video, and I know I've been gone for a minute, but guess what? I'm back. We're back and we're good. Just a little sneak peek as to why I was gone is because I have been situating my whole moving thing, and yes, I'm moving out. It's already been a year since I've been on this lease. The girl's a little stressed out, but you know what? We're gonna have a new place. My apartment right now really is not decorated at all. I do have some cute little LED lights up there in my room, and my room is like very plain, and like I have a couch and you know all the basic stuff, but I really don't have it decorated, and I'm so disappointed at myself for not having it decorated because your girl was so excited to move out so I could decorate and have my own place and have it all cute and nice, but I didn't do that. So for my next place, I definitely will do a tour and go shopping for furniture with you guys. I'm only gonna be there for a little bit because I do have plans for afterwards, but you guys will totally see that in a different video. But anyway, if you guys want to know more about that whole situation and want to go through the whole moving thing with me this time, then let me know. Thumbs up this video, let me know in the comments. Since we're on the topic of moving, I do want to kind of roll into something a little bit similar. I am going to be cleaning out my closet today because of course I do want to have as little items as possible. I just need to clean out my entire wardrobe and my closet, figure out the things that I do want to keep and the things that I want to put on a Poshmark, which brings me to the next topic. As many of you may know, I have been using Poshmark for as long as I can remember. But if you guys don't know what Poshmark is, basically it's an app where you can place all of your unwanted items and sell them super fast. I'm going to show you guys a few of the items that I am going to be placing on my Poshmark. And if you guys don't follow me, you guys definitely should. I will be placing all the information down below, so go make sure to go download the app. I'm the type of person that wears things once and I just don't wear it again. I know it's a bad habit, but it happens. Or another thing is I completely forget about the fact that I even have the item and I bought it a long time ago, but it's still really cute, but I know that I'm not going to wear it because I've been waiting to wear it for years and I still haven't. Let me know if you guys can relate to that because I feel like I'm some type of weirdo that does that and I just have shopping issues. So here are some of the few items that I am going to be listing on my Poshmark. These super cute boots, I got to wear them literally like inside a hotel room, and that was it. I didn't even wear them. And then I had this bikini set right here. I only wore the top, and I wore the top as a top. And then here is this really cute red beautiful spring summer dress, and it's ruched in the back. And then there's these fake leather pants that I thought were gonna look really good on me, but they ended up not looking so great on me because I just feel like it's not my style, but definitely super cute on one of you girls. And then I also have this two-piece here. It's this neon bralette, and then it comes with these fuzzy pants, super fun. And I also do have a code that you guys can use, which is right here. Use it when you sign up for the app so you guys can get $5 credit. Really can't lose with this. You make money off of your old items that you don't want anymore, and then when you sign up you also get $5 credit. Another plus to Poshmark is that you can get up to 70% off of your favorite brands. Like some of my favorite brands are like Gucci, Adidas, and Nike, BB, Baby Fat. You can find anything on there. And also, yes, I did say Gucci. There is so many designer brands on there. You can find the bag of your dreams on there for such an affordable price. And with your luxury items, if you are spending $500 or more, you do get a free authentication, meaning that your luxury item gets sent over to the Poshmark HQ, and then they make sure that it's actually real so you don't get gypped. And then it gets sent back to you with an authentication card to make sure that you did get the real deal. So make sure that you guys click on the link down below so you guys can download Poshmark and start your own closet and make that money, guys. Let's get started. So here we are in front of my closet, and yes, I have a 3-door mirror. I love it. I think it's so beautiful and it's everything. But when we go into the inside, I just want to warn you guys, it's going to be quite a mess. So just prepare yourself. It's a little much, and also you guys can't see right now, but my floor is a catastrophe. I have a whole bunch of different piles of clothes and I don't really know how to situate it. And then over here I have a bunch of shoes. So we're gonna situate like how this even is going to get started. I think we're just gonna have to make like one pile that I want to put on my Poshmark, aka sell, and then on the other side I'll put things that I do want to keep, and then eventually at the very end I'll just put them up in the closet. So this is one side. This is what I have going on right here. It looks empty right here, but this is only because this is the end of my closet. And then also I do have a bunch of like shoes and all that stuff right here. Now this is the middle of my closet. It's just a bunch of coats. It's all color coordinated, so this is white, black, gray somewhere in here. And then down here I have a whole bunch of tubs. So this has like undies, socks, pajamas, things that I need on an everyday basis. Here is more of the stuff that you guys can pretty much see. It's all colorful. There's pink, orange, blue, green, yellow. Maggie, I'm going to kill you. I know you're watching this. You put my blue dress where the red belongs. So this is all my colorful stuff, and then here at the bottom I do have a bunch of my pants. I don't have many pants because I honestly dislike wearing pants. I'm more of like a skirt, shorts type of girl. Moving on to fast forwarding everything and cleaning out my entire closet. So let's go. Never going to get through this big huge pile of clothes, but surprisingly it was pretty easy. I was like, okay, don't want this, don't want this. Pretty easy. So here's my pile of the things that I am going to be selling on my Poshmark. It's pretty even. I feel like I do have a little bit more things over here on this side just because it's a lot of bikinis, but pretty much even. So now let's move into this portion inside of my closet. Then we'll just separate it into the do and don't wants pile again. showing you guys my last piece of clothing that I had to put away, and I'm done cleaning out my closet. I stepped on something sharp. I don't know what it is. My toe is bleeding out. I have to go put a band-aid on. Hold on. I knew that these would come in handy one day. Sorry, band-aid. Actually, you know, I'm actually going to rearrange my color coordinating because it used to be like black, white, gray, brown, and then the rest of the colors in the back. But when I open up my closet, I actually want it to be all the colors right here instead of all like the white and black and like the very boring colors. So I'm gonna be moving all the colorful brights over here. So let's do that. And then here are all of my bikinis that I'm just going to be putting right on top of here because there's no more room in my cubbies. But it doesn't really bug me that they're just going to be on top of my baskets here because it looks really cute actually. It matches like the whole neon theme up here. Everything is color coordinated here. Everything in the cubbies is right where it's supposed to be. And now let's move on to this side. As you guys can see, there's not really much on this side. I wanted the focus to be in the center of my closet, and like I said, I did do a huge closet clean out. Everything is here on my floor that I'm going to be posting on my Poshmark. So everything is pretty much down to what I need, what I wear on an everyday basis. So all my hangers and then my accessories, like as for bralettes and like custom little pieces that were made for me. So as you guys can see, it's pretty empty right there. But then I do have like my gym workout clothes here that was already organized, and I already cleaned that out a while ago. So I didn't need to do that. And then also I do have my very few bottoms. I don't know about you guys, but that was like very satisfying for me. So that is the end of my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed my closet clean out. I know it was quite the process, but honestly it was so satisfying watching me just go all crazy and have everything cleaned out. So if you guys like this video and want some more videos like this, make sure to thumbs up, and also do not forget to click in the link down below so you guys can download Poshmark. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.